Hi!
Hello!
Kumusta ka dyan?
Kaya naman, how are you?
I'm good. Pero we're down to our last 2 episodes.
I know, right?
Bilis.
It's been 2 months.
2 months na.
Meron ka bang expectations dito sa episode na to? Meron ka bang bet na manalo?
Actually, Tita Baby talaga eh. Di siya na lang kasi yung out of the 5 sa group of girls na walang win. So I want her to go to the finale with a win. At least 1 win.
Yeah, I think it has been long overdue. So, titignan natin. Pero of course, we also want to win someone na talagang nag-perform sa challenge. But of course, hoping for her win. Sana galingan niya dito. Pwede na tayo magbasa ng comments natin from last episode. We will be reading some of them.
Do you wanna go first?
Yeah, it's coming from Christian and Usaris 4029. Sorry if I'm not pronouncing that correctly. Ang sabi niya, "You are reactors, not experts. I do not know why people expect so much from your comments. Sana i-enjoy na lang nila, lol." And then, meron siyang comment sa episode itself. "Mix is such a great person. We are looking at a future global or versus the world all-stars." Yep. Ano lang, dun sa first part ng comment niya, this is coming from the negative comments that we've received from episode 7, I think, na parang legit ba ito mga ito? Ba't kayo nagko-comment ng ganyan? Pero, again, we are drag enjoyers. We are just fans of this TV show. So, yeah, enjoyin nyo lang. Hindi kami expert, guys. So,
Yeah.
let's just have fun. So, yeah, and yung second part, Mix is such a great person. Yes, I agree. I think she could be a contender for a future All-Stars or versus the World iteration.
I'm gonna read someone from Sis Nepop. Grabe yung pang-edge nila kay Tita Baby. Crying face. To be fair though, I could see all the remaining queens in the finale. Also, bet ko yung pa-orange wig ni Dayang. Haha, gusto ko rin.
Hey!
So, ayun, guys. Like I've been mentioning sa previous episode until now, I want Tita Baby to win going to the finale. So, let's see if she'll be able to deliver this episode.
Yes, hope so, no? Itong si Sis Nepa, by the way, parang she has been commenting a lot sa videos natin. And she herself is a content creator. Like parang yung channel niya is dedicated to explaining yung references sa Drag Race Philippines franchise.
Ooh.
Love her work. And yung comment about sa orange na wig ni Dayang, yes, we agree, no? Like parang I think yung orange na color for a wig is really suits Dayang.
Parang pwede siya maging drag daughter ni Arizona. Diba? Kasi mahilig si Arizona sa mga orange or like kahel no wigs.
Correct. Hey, baka pwedeng mag-apply si Dayang as a drag daughter.
Kakain siya ng contact lens.
Oh my God.
Sa stage.
Can you imagine? Okay, next. This is from Attorney Nico 1991. "If I were in Nick Chanel's shoes, I would have taken advantage of the situation to convince Maxi, Angel, and Tita Baby to eliminate a stronger competitor. I would have suggested na ibigay na lang sa akin yung golden balut para mapaalis agad yung pwede nilang strong competition pagdating ng finals. This approach would have been a more strategic move. Unfortunately, failing to do so was a missed opportunity and a poor strategy. Sayang." I agree dun sa comment na yan. Kasi andyan na like parang may chance kayo to eliminate Kiana,
Yes.
to put her in the bottom and possibly have her sent home by yung another bottom queen.
Yes.
But they didn't do it. Like parang guys, parang best friends race ba ito?
Yung parang ginawa ni Naomi Smalls kay Manila, no? Dapat naman nila
Yes.
din siya.
Napaka-cutthroat. Pero you know what? It works kasi Naomi made it to the finals. Like parang she had to do it. Although sobrang heartbreaking nun as a fan of Manila. We understand why she had to do it. Thank you for the comment, Nico. Yeah.
Yep. So, yung last comment is, kay Mama John Fideliaga. Like,
Hey!
dalawa yung
Oh my
comment niya
God!
dito. Yung, sabi niya, parang love you both, guys. Tapos, sabi pa ni Mama John, and siya, like, hindi ko expect na mag-watch talaga siya. So, nakakatuwa.
Such an honor, right?
Sabi niya, kung totoong fan, kiss mo ako dyan.
Oh my God. Alam mo, kinilig ako na nabasa ko yan. Kinilig ako for you.
Di nakakilig. Mama John. When?
Time, place.
Punta po ako sa place mo.
Since nakaka-exchange messages naman natin si Mama John sa Instagram, madali na lang po magpalitan ng number between you and John. Damn! Oh my God, ibang classic. Love that for you, sir.
We love you, Mama John.
Let's dive right into the episode and see kung ano yung in store for us sa Rumix Challenge.
Bilis ng season na to, Top 5 na agad.
Ibig sabihin maganda siya kasi we don't want it to end.
Diba?
It's another week in a workgroup, so let's go, everyone.
Or like, nag-apologize sa Twitter, ganun.
Wala pa.
Wala pa.
I've only seen yung reactions ng other queens.
Mm-mm.
Like for example, si Vinyas, yun sa show niya, ang sabi niya, this is me again, paraphrasing. Sabi niya, si Maxi, tingnan mo yan, sumali sa Queen of the Universe, she represented the Philippines. So, na-uplift na yung drag dito sa Pilipinas. Naging somehow known.
Yep.
Right? She put it on the map. Parang
Yes.
ganun. Si Angel, a trans queen, ina-uplift na yung drag queens na transgender women.
Mm-mm.
Tapos, itong si Tita Baby, ina-uplift niya yung mga queens na who may be wondering if they can start drag at probably later stages in life.
Yes.
Or may mga second chances na eme. And pati si Zimba, yung tawag dito from where she came from,
Tala.
right? Sa
Tala
Tala.
ba yun?
Mm-mm. Ina-uplift niya yung mga taong nandoon and also yung mga possible drag artists who will be coming from a similar place.
Yes.
And also Kiana from the province.
Mm-mm.
So, that's a very wrong and incorrect statement.
Mm-mm.
That she
Feeling ko
made.
ano siya nung time na yun, she's in her feelings or like nakainom na din.
Aha.
Parang ano na siya, enga na si bakla.
Napiring ako, ginuguna. Nahuli yung gigil mo, at
Wala,
least.
hindi na huli, nayakap niya.
Gigil ni Maxi ko ako.
O paano sinula na lang yung lahat ng credential? Ano to?
Ang sabihin na akla. Akla.
Actually.
Akla. Oh my God.
Oh.
Ganda ni Versex sa ni UD.
Oh my God, si John Fideliaga. Look at her.
Mama John.
Bakla na to. Na
Oh my God.
Dapat, tsaka,
John has
sobrang
the best
di
look.
Diba?
Ang nagtaas ang kilay.
That wig with the rhinestones.
Ayun na yung drag uplifter.
Oh my God.
Sasaktan ba kayo na nandito pa ako?
Supposedly the first eliminated queen.
Oh God.
Only 5 of you remain. At the council will vote kung sino ang pinaka-karapat-dapat na mapabilang sa final.
Ooh.
Whoever has the highest ranking is the winner of this mini challenge. So, open your hearts.
She's really the personality of the
Oo.
season.
Hindi ko nga pag may confessional count.
Sino si? Matatapang nila para sila mga ganyan. Nakatari silang ganyan sa Hawkins. Sige, bibigay ko yung tapang. Ganda mo tapang. 11 tayo, di ba? Sino yung pinaka hindi mo, bet?
That's scary.
Gago, di ba? Si Mix and si J. Quinn.
Oh my God.
Kasi hindi sila nagpapakatotoo dito.
Oh
Ano po, God?
I love this.
Kasi, atake tayo.
My goodness.
Nakikita ko sa mukha mo, tsaka sa mga mata mo.
Like what, for example? So, ibig sabihin...
Clock her, Maxi.
Kailan ako hindi nagpakita ng totoong sarili ko sa inyo?
Simula nung natalo ka, ang makayabang mo nung una na nanalo ka ng Rubach, di ba?
Mhm.
Lahat nilalag mo. Next time, malalabang ka kung saan ka man lumaban. Stay humble. Kasi humble ka ng panahon. Hindi lahat ng panahon ay para sa'yo.
Oh.
Diba, tapos hindi ako iiyak, pero panuha na
This is
ako
so
noon,
juicy.
na-luha ko noon.
Ang hinong me
Oh my
outside,
God.
like,
Sobrang
how-
feeling ko na hurt
how-
si Maxi
how-
dun sa comment nung sa exit line ni Mix.
Until now, dala-dala niya pa rin dito sa ano, no?
Mm-mm.
Yeah, gets.
And also sinabi niya at one point sa antak na parang nayayabangan ata siya kay Nix.
Mhm.
I'm not sure if you can remember. Yeah. So this has been bubbling under the surface for quite some time.
Parang nasa ano na siya, no? Mental note na ni Maxima ang ganong qualities ni Mix.
Yes.
Okay.
yung fake here. At
Hindi
nung
ka
nasa
masyadong kilala, J. Queen.
paano mo nagsasabi na yung fake here na sinasabi mo yun na hindi mo ako kilala? So you're just
Naalala mo na
making
nagugulungan kayo
assumptions.
doon, tapos nung hinarap kita, wala ka nasabi. Ayun, mukha sa mukha, ang ngipin
Kailan
sa
mo
ngipin.
ano?
Ay, ito pala
Ano
yun.
ang sinasabi mo sa kapatid ko?
Yan.
Oh my
Well,
God.
Gusto mo ba mukha ba kita?
Hanggang dito
Oh!
Oh my God, totoo ba to?
Line, okay?
Acting na lang yung
lang.
Oh my God. You know what?
Mga
This
wala
adds
na,
to
wala
ano.
dito.
Gusto ko na naging ito si Maxi kasi nag-add siya ng more layers to
Depth.
his character. So yeah, the perfect time to do it, I think.
Tsaka hindi din siya parang one-dimensional lang. Like sabi mo, di ba, na parang mabait lang si Maxi, magaling na si Maxi. Tapos ito na yung side ni Maxi na palaban din siya.
Yeah. And may conviction. Ramdam yung conviction sa sinasabi niya.
Oo. Parang ako si Mix saka si Zayquin parang, oh my God.
Magka-curl up ako. Into a fucking ball.
Ayoko nito. Mag-sorry na lang kayo, guys.
Ang liwan.
Tita Baby! Tatas-tas sila ng kilay ng ganyan. Tigilan niyo ako. Alam ko kung sino maldita sa inyo at alam kung sinong hindi.
Dumbledore moment again. Joke lang.
Hindi ko gets kasi matanda na ganyan.
Yeah, like parang, I'm gonna impart you this wisdom. That wisdom.
But I'm actually a life coach.
Give naman
I
kasi,
wanna bring
diba?
in
Ganun yung ano.
drag
She's a
and life
tita.
coaching together.
Branding niya.
Because I feel like the most important thing for a growing young community, both the LGBT and non-LGBT community,
Teach the
is
kids,
information,
hunty.
is truth and the information of
Parang feel ko
self-empowerment.
babaw yung luha
There are
ni
a lot
Tita
of
Bibi.
young
No?
Oh,
people who,
babaw.
like me when I
Parang I was
was
about
young,
to say kanina, she's gonna cry again.
Oo.
didn't
Medyo
know
bilis siyang
where to go.
maluha, maiyak, mauga.
find
Mauga,
success
yeah.
and happiness to show a light at the end of the road.
I think kahit di pa siya nakakalabas, nagawa niya na yun.
Oo nga.
Ano ba to?
Those are
Parang
sweet
retreat.
words.
Retreat ba to?
Give Hallmark
Open forum.
cards.
The open forum is up
Hallmark
now.
cards, no?
Thank you, Denise.
Hallmark cards. No, but I love it.
Congratulations,
Fun lang
queens.
naman.
The council has spoken. They have determined the most deserving queen to win this challenge.
Oo, yung pinaka-windra talaga namin is
Tita Baby.
Miss Tita V.
Yeah.
So, for your final maxi challenge, you will star and perform in a fabulous live production number of an original
live
song
production
entitled
number. Like last
Say
season,
At
right?
Last, wherein you'll write your own verse, lyrics that truly embody your personality.
Feeling mo magaling ka ba mag-write ng mga verses? Pag nagsasali?
Feeling ko hindi mag-match sa tone or energy ng Drag Race. As a serious emo girl.
Ay, pero di ba you write talaga? Like, nagpo-poetry ka, ganyan.
Sample.
Yeah. Hey. Sorry, joke lang.
Oo,
Yeah.
nagpo-poetry ka, di ba?
Yeah.
Ganyan.
And songs din, songwriting. But yeah.
Pero hindi siya yung parang mga
Hindi siya yung parang pak, para kat, I am Ray, blah, blah, blah. Hindi siya ganun.
Crown me. Mama Ru.
Yeah.
Crown
Mga
me.
ganun, di ba?
Mga ganun.
Hindi ganun.
Mga bitch track. Yung mga ganun.
Yep.
Okay.
Ikaw ba?
DB.
I think you can do it.
Naglaro kami ni Dayang before dati ng ganyan-ganyan sa Pop of Ate. Parang nakakatawa. Hindi ko na maalala yung verse.
Sample.
Paghahanap ko, guys. Hanapin ko muna. Before we go into the Maxi Challenge, let's call in our resident drag connoisseur.
Si Dayang. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Hey! Welcome, Mom!
Hello, mabuhay. Kumbaga ka lang sa aking channel. Tapos, tirahin niyo ako sa aking page. Charit.
Sino bang kamukha ni Dayang?
Uy, guys, sinasabing gawin ko raw yun, Utos nila yun.
Uy, ano?
Let us know below kung sino yung kamukha ni
Sino
Dayang.
ba yun, guys? Hulaan nyo, ha?
Kayo na bahala pag nabash ako,
Pero ang ganda niya, di ba?
Look at her.
Like, clock that. Ang haba ng lashes mo, ha?
It's giving Elvira.
Bulbul ko yan. Gusto mo yan. None of these girls can say that they rise to the top, that they uplifted the community. Anong masasabi niyo sa... Naku, mix ha. I can't defend you doon.
Yeah.
Pero she said sorry na ata sa Bikini Man.
Ano, sorry
Eh,
na
she
siya.
did.
Parang she explained naman na
And ano yung reason niya for saying that?
ang pagkalala ko, syempre, she's in her feelings. Ay,
Oh.
my God.
till the end,
God.
maganda pa rin namang suot niya. Till the end. Gusto ko yung taturban.
I love this.
I'm your queen ng inang
Ganda
host.
din.
Welcome to the
Ang ganda, ma.
O sa sinanggali.
She ate.
Sasha Colby, tama na. Charot.
Ang ganda na song!
Diba?
Oh my God!
Bakit hindi ito yung ginawa nila sa girl group? Kasi maganda yung song, no?
Oh, hindi ko rin sure. Baka sinisave nila for
Finale
this
kasi.
particular- She looks good.
Minamaliit ng karamihan pero siya'y malaking biyaya. Parang agila, totoong pambihira.
Give ko ang dancing talaga sa kanya.
Hey!
Wow.
God.
Tataskin ko pala ako sa pamilya panining ninyo. Taga-house of ding ang mananalo.
Ah,
Ganda
yung parinig.
Kung ikay
Ganda ng
Galing
line na
din.
yun, ah.
Ako naman ang magbabago ng pamantayan ng gada. Tagasan ang dress na trans
Flow niya, shit.
Diba?
Just don't forget they can everything you say. Okay. Come on, up a devil, up a rap. Just take the challenge of to another level. No need to say more, just keep me on a down.
Okay, may pa ganyan.
Oh. Wow. Parang ano, ang bebe.
Ang ganda, Tita Baby.
Walang drag family and no drag home. Araw after araw, ramdam ang aking struggle. Kaya,
Si tita nung nagpapatira.
ang aking gigil.
Hindi na yan sa count.
That's what you can give eh.
Tama naman.
Slay akla.
Ganda! Standing ovation to te.
Tumayo! Guys, let's talk about our tops.
Tinigasan.
Ang hirap be.
Bottoms.
Like parang
Walang boto.
wala talaga.
Wala. Tapos ha. 5 winners. What?
Oo. Lahat may tigi-tigis ang rubadge.
Yeah.
Ang top ko ay si Maxi, imong kapatid.
Ay, Maxi at Angel.
Oo, personally.
Okay.
High safe si Kiana.
Mhm.
Then, kung talagang nitpicking Tita Baby lang so far yung...
Mhm.
Pero natawid ko si Tita Baby, nadaan niya sa kampe.
Mhm. Although parang hindi siya, parang alam mo yun, parang iba yung energy nung sa kanya. While yun talaga yung drag niya.
Ang unfair i-compare kasi sa Eva.
Okay.
Kasi hindi...
Kasi
Hindi
iba kasi parang rap talaga eh.
Hindi mo pwede i-force sa kanya yun kasi hindi naman siya yun.
That's true. So this is hard to judge talaga.
Ang ganda ng fairness.
It will come down to personal preferences talaga kung sino yung bottom here.
Actually, nitpicking sa person.
Mhm.
Ako for me, parang top ko si Maxi and Zimba.
Mhm.
Kaya na medyo gusto ko yung verse niya. Kaya lang medyo ano siya eh. Parang kinakain niya yung
At
words.
points hindi ko maintindihan, yes.
Siya, ano,
Oo.
unlike no kay Zimba and kay Maxi na very audible pa din.
Hindi kayo baka mag-bottom siya nun dahil hindi...
Ayun nga eh. Medyo hindi kasi
Si Kiana?
Oo.
Possibly.
Tapos, yung clear bottom for me would be Tita Baby. I'm sorry.
Eh,
Parang I love her. I want her to be in the finale. But yeah.
Congrats,
So good.
Queens! Oh my God.
One of the best, ano to?
Ano tawag doon? Roomix?
Roomix.
Actually,
Throughout all the franchises.
yep.
Oo.
Considering everything, this is one of the best.
Can we say naka-level niya yung mga category is...
Oo naman!
Yes, be. Oo.
Okay, yung ano,
Oo.
Read You, Wrote You.
Oh my God, parang nasusurprise ako na in-exceed pa nila yung ano. Like parang napaka-consistent ng quality ng mga episodes. Nagugulat ako kasi parang feeling ko hindi ako masyadong mag-enjoy dito kasi for these challenges, hindi masyadong nag-give sa akin.
Oh,
the past
baka
few seasons.
cringe. Gano'n. Eh hindi, ginaling.
Okay.
Ano sabi ni RuPaul?
Slay Akla.
Slay Akla!
Sobrang social na pakinggan.
Ang lang kayo sa channel.
Kung bago ka lang.
Kabago ka lang. Ano sabi ni Norvina last season? Yung ginagaya siya nila Bernie.
Salamat po.
Salamat po!
Salamat po.
Salamat po!
Yes.
Salamat din sa mga foreigner.
Standing ovation nga yung judges din.
God!
Category is Ang Ganda Ballroom Extravaganza.
Ba't naman nilabasan?
Sorry,
Ang
may
lagkit
lagkit na kasi
Ang
talaga.
lagkit to.
Amazon Lux na ba?
I'm wearing the biggest
Machi-machi sila ni
and the
Mama Pao,
longest gown I ever had.
It's giving Cinderella.
Representing the medal.
Medyo, ano lang, hindi nagpa-pop yung color.
No.
May hinahanap ako. Kung lace sana yung glove. Kung lion-lion lang, wala ng buto or buto lang.
Yep.
Charot.
Angel.
Fair, ang ganda.
Angel.
And also,
pero respectful. Ayan.
ang gusto ko, I think this is satirizing yung ano,
I mean, how
yung religious figure. So, I especially love this.
For me, ano siya, subversion ng image ni
Angel.
Ang sexy. So parang, ayun, tari kaya naman pala niya mag
Okay.
Yung holy.
Oo. Ayun,
May
no?
satire kaya niya to? I'm wondering. Or seryoso siya dito?
Feeling ko serious yan.
Tingin mo? Okay.
Para ibahin yung image niya. Para kaya ko rin magkano.
Kiana!
Oh,
Kasi Barbie naman, hinangin.
Upside down.
Although maganda to
For
feel.
the queens,
Eh,
Para pa kanyo yung mga sarili.
Top 5.
top 5!
Angel.
Congratulations.
Congratulations!
Hey! Oh my God, I'm so happy!
Deserve.
Congrats, ate ko!
Deserve.
Oh my God!
You won a
Really?
cash of 80,000 pesos.
Yaman na ng family nila.
Hindi ko rin
shit.
hindi ko rin expect talaga. Like, kasi sobrang siksik, sobrang solid, sobrang gagaling nila.
Mm-mm. Sobrang
You will
siksik,
also see the
exactly.
last room batch of the season. Speaking of room batch yan!
Hey! Oh my God, Zimba at saka Tita Baby.
I fucking doubt na hindi talaga din si Maxi, no?
Of the graduate.
Pero ang power move with Maxi and Zimba yun.
Yeah.
Prior to tonight, you were asked to
Parang
prepare
hindi na sa
a
takot
lip-sync
si
performance
Zimba.
of
Or she's praying.
Isa Pang Araw
Baka she's
by
praying.
Sarah Herodico.
I have
Ay,
no.
paborito ko yan, yung kanta.
to lips.
Maybe pa kasi.
Nashock yung confidence natin.
Life. And ipit piggy.
That's so baby girl.
Nauga ako! Hindi, pege. Parang si Babalu. Nga ano ka eh.
I love yung variations.
Uy, pwede mo snatch game yun, ha?
Si Babalu. Nga ano ka eh, ha? Ay, paborito ko eh. Even si Simba? Ito ang mas favorite emotion kay Tita Baby, no? Kasi kumata. Yes.
Okay. Galing siya eh. Oo. Galing sila po.
Tita Baby.
Tita Baby. Ako din Tita Baby. Kasi ayoko na tinanggal ni Zimba yung thing niya. Sa, parang nag-de-drag siya ng konti.
Okay,
And
okay.
ayoko nangyayari yan sa lip sync.
Saka ano, parang siya yung singer talaga nung kanta.
Ay, yung
Par-
mouth movements.
parang ginawa ni Angel sa Loka Loka.
Ah, yes.
Yung talagang inibad niya yung kanta.
Mm.
Although sobrang galing ni Zimba.
Magaling din siya, be.
So I won't get mad if siya yung piliin din.
Oo. Parang both of them deserves to stay. Pero same with me, Tita Baby din talaga.
Pero ayun, this season.
Yeah.
Okay.
Penultimate episode. So,
Best penultimate episode ng franchise
natin.
natin.
Drag Race Philippines.
Galing, guys.
Thank you, girls, for
So
delivering, ha?
Mm-mm.
We're so happy. So, Tita Baby.
She's calling on the Lord.
Tita Baby.
Sabi ni Lord, no.
No, the Lord did not save her.
From Dragon issue. You
Then
are the
deserved.
fourth finalist
Oh,
for the
sorry,
grand
Zimba.
finale.
Yung tubo na to.
Ba't may PVC?
We're so sorry, Zimba.
Ba't may PVC pipe?
Oh, she looks so defeated. Oh.
Fearless to Simba.
Ang galing mo, be. 1 year pa lang.
Yep,
Yeah.
Proud sa'yo sa mga breaks mo for sure.
correct.
Don't be so hard on yourself.
Super
Hindi
close.
niya nakakaano. Masakit eh. Ang lapit mo na eh.
Ako, parang yun yung isa sa pinakamasakit.
Na placement is top 5. Di ba na,
Swings
kasi kung
to
finale,
my-
parang, sige, finale na ako. Okay na ako dito.
At
Sabi
least
nga
they
ni
know
Jordan
what I
Sparks,
do.
so close.
They love me
Yet
now.
so
and
far away.
They now understand what drag is.
How would you rank the 4?
Last 4.
Mm-mm.
Ay, hindi. 4th si Tita Baby.
Okay.
Wala siyang wins.
Okay, okay.
Wala siyang
Valid.
wins. Tapos 3rd si Angel.
Okay.
Dahil may 2 wins. Nakahabol si
Mm-mm.
si ating trans nene.
Mhm.
2nd si Kian. Although alam ko 1 win lang siya.
Mhm.
Pero munti ko na siya ilan beses talaga manalo.
Yeah. Mm-mm.
Especially no first half, no?
Kaya niya mag-tie kay
Mhm.
Maxi actually 3 wins. Pero, ayun. Tapos, first ni Maxi.
Yeah.
This is her season to win.
Uh-huh.
I mean, I'm happy to be proven wrong kasi of the 4, I'm happy whoever wins.
Mhm.
Pero from what I'm seeing throughout the season,
Mhm.
from the personality, yung cons, charisma, uniqueness, nerve, and talent,
Mhm.
si Maxi.
Maxi
Yes.
talaga.
So ayun, Maxi.
Yep. She's a fully realized queen.
Pero congrats to all 11 queens.
Yep.
What a great season.
Yeah.
Oh, hindi ba tapos?
Mhm.
So,
Yeah.
congrats.
One of the best episodes.
Yes. Ang ganda ng episode, be.
Super.
Fairness talaga. Sobrang na-enjoy ko. Na-surprise ako.
Big.
Alright, Dayang, salamat sa pagtulong sa amin sa pag-rank by sharing your insights.
Mhm.
And yeah, we will see you in the finale next
Abangan
week.
nyo.
Oh my God!
Thank you for being here tonight and see you next week.
See you next week.
Of
And
course.
bye-bye!
Bye-bye.
1, 2, 3, go! So now that Dayang has shared her insights and her own personal ranking, maybe we can also wonder on her own kung paano natin i-rank yung remaining 4 queens.
I think kind of similar kami ni Dayang. Parang Tita Baby is in my 4th because she hasn't gotten a win.
Mhm.
And then Angel, my 3rd place. Since I'm a Kiana stan nga, kahit may 2 wins si Angel, I still want Kiana to be in the top 2.
Mhm.
And then either na lang sa kanila ni Maxi talaga kung sino manalo. Pero I feel like this is Maxi's season to win.
Okay.
Kahit I'm a Kiana stan, this is Maxi's season. She did the best out of the 11 queens. So I think she's gonna take it next week.
Okay. Ako, for me, ang 4th ko, Tita Baby din. Tapos, tayo sa akin sa 2nd and 3rd place or 2.5. 2.5, si Angel and si Kiana. While Angel has 2 wins, Kiana, I think offsets that other win because she has been consistent and has been
In the top.
in many top placements, especially sa earlier part ng season. And yeah, overall, parang feeling ko equal silang dalawa. And yeah, first place ko si Maxi pa rin kasi she's a fully realized queen, parang many layers to her na talagang na-embrace ko kung sino siya.
Yeah.
And yeah, as a drag performer, talagang wow. So those are our rankings. You guys also please share your rankings sa top 4. Who do you want to win?
Yeah, let us know in the comments section below.
Yes,
Last
correct.
episode na. Oh my God.
God.
Bilis.
It has been a season, no? My God.
I'm gonna miss you guys.
We will miss you. Yep.
Okay.
Before we wrap up, final thoughts sa episode. I think reiterate ko lang na this is a very, very good episode. I think second to Snatch Game sa ganong sa
Ganung
quality.
level, no?
Oo, ang ganda ng song na ano yun? Slay Akla.
Slay Akla. Yeah.
All the queens delivered sa performance and even sa runway.
Yeah.
Not one boring moment.
Yes.
Even yung mini challenge, it's full of drama and excitement.
Yeah, I
Alam mo
agree.
yun. And also yung lip sync performance in
Yes.
the song.
Pwede
One of the
ba?
best this season, no? Ang galing ng dalawa.
Diyan mo malalaman na hindi mo kailangan ng stunts to give a good lip sync.
Yep, embody the song. Make sure that you know the words. Show emotion. And then you're
You're good
set,
to go.
Yep.
Yeah, kahit nasa isang place ka lang, ganun yung ginawa nila both, di ba?
Yep.
Pero feel mo emotions coming from them. Congrats, girls!
I'm so proud of them. The production, the queens, the judges.
Ay, isa pa yung production. Ang ganda ng last shot. Tapos sabi mo, ang ganda ng lighting.
Yung silhouette emeru nila.
Bugla tayo may fireworks.
Robert!
Good pa fireworks.
Kaloba.
Yun.
Okay.
Na-happy din yung... Pag may heart ba na? Kapag ano ba sila?
I'm not sure. Let's see.
Ayun, may heart.
Hey, may heart. Look at that. Okay, ikaw lang mag-heart.
Happy birthday to you. Wala. Ayun, natuwa kami doon.
Ang bababaw ng katuwa, kasiyahan,
Yeah.
happiness. Okay, yeah, so we can finally wrap up. Okay, see you guys next week. I am Ray.
I am John, and don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and please turn on your notification bell so
Yes.
you will be notified when we have a new upload.
Yeah, so para alam nila kung nandiyan na ba yung episode ng Medium Rare for 2.
Yes.
Kukudan na naman si Ray at John. Diba?
Yeah. Thank you,
And
guys.
Dayang. Okay, bye-bye guys.
Ay, bibili mo na ako.
Hey!
Bye-bye.